Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a unboxing. What is in this box? I just opened it. What is it? Let's open it up and see what's inside and check it out in the man cave like now. And also folks, ignore that. That's just the dryer and it's drying some clothes that my mother put. But anyway, ignore that. Let's check it out. Alrighty folks, so what was in that box? And with that, I'm going to show you one example first. A sticker set for Terabytes, the evolution of horror games. That's right, it's here and it arrived. When you open the box, you get this, 5 stickers, similar size of a poster, a keychain. I just check it out how it looks. Alrighty, here it is. Alright, on to the next item. Alrighty, and this of course is going to be like a roll poster, so this is going to be like 18 by 24 that you saw in the pre-order video. So yeah, like wow, 3 sets of the posters. And here's the Resistance, the physical copy of the documentary. You have subtitles, 1 disc, released this year, all region A, B, and C. It's Blu-ray, Full HD 1080p, Creator VC, Creator VC Studios Incorporated, www.terabytes.com. 1 disc, and the documentary is 380 minutes, yo. With it, let's just take a bit look. I'm not going to read too much of the details. You're just going to have to read them yourself. So, here it is, folks. Pause that and read it very carefully. John Carpenter in the house, everybody. Corey Taylor and more. Let me just pause it and read it very carefully. So this is made by fans for fans. So yeah, folks, let's open it up and see how it looks on the inside. Like now. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this side of the slip cover. So it's a side slip cover. Out comes the Blu-ray case. Kind of similar shape to a PS4 if I'm not mistaken. Let's open it up. Look at that, folks. Comes with a little paper that says this might come in handy if you master unlock the number of terabytes. So yeah. So for the record, folks, mine is number 1436. How many pre-orders were out there? I'm not so sure of. I'm just spreading the word. And of course, here comes with a booklet. Here's the Blu-ray itself. Terabytes, everything. No special artwork on the back whatsoever. Yeah, it's all blacked out. So yeah. Here it comes with everything. Here's the booklet. You have interview with John Carpenter, Corey Taylor, Swuri, and Hitsufumi Kono, Abby Howard, Jane Jetson, Brian Gomez, David Surimansky. I can't even say that. And you have from the writer-director of Joyful Dead, a message from the writer and director, Richard Moss, and then you have a message from the producer, A Safe Place to Scream, producer Dan Richardson, and then Robin Block, who is Dream Released, who is the executive producer, and editor Connor O'Kane. Additional messages from the team. Keeper's Diary, producer, backers messages, guide play 'em all, games checklist, contributors quotes. So yeah, and this is one big booklet, so I'm just gonna make this simple and quick. So yeah, you just saw me mentioning these individuals and dudes and dudettes. And if anybody remembers these video games from back in the day, even from the days of Atari to the PlayStation eras, here are the games. Just give it a perspective angle. Pause it. Pause it. And the Thing video game, I gotta get me a copy of this. I'm gonna get the regular Switch. I'm not gonna get that Steelbook version. Alien Isolation, I still gotta continue playing that. I would have loved to play Evil Dead Fistful of Boomstick, but apparently that's from a different game system, and when will they ever gonna release a remastered version of that game? They gotta release it. Also, I didn't even know Psycho, the Alfred Hitchcock classic, and it spawned the sequels. I didn't even know that had a video game. I know that JIN, or is it YIN, or the company that licensed the video games, including Jaws and Friday the 13th 2009, Friday the 13th 1989. And then there's the computer game version of Friday the 13th. Then there's the Ataris for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and Halloween. Before I even knew about it, now these are rare now. And I did the tour review for the video game version of Leatherface. I didn't even know Psycho had a game. I didn't even know Bram Stoker's Dracula came out. Had a video game for Sega, which came around the same time as the movie in the early 90s. They gotta start remastering some of these games. I've never even heard of them. Then there's the Jurassic Park Aftermath VR and a whole slew of games. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna have to give it from a perspective angle. Detention, which is a Japanese video game, which I never knew that there was one. And then Spooky's Jump Scare Mansion. Anybody know I messed up? Okay, here it is. So, yeah. Resident Evil 2. Wow. Okay, Doom I'm aware of. They gotta re-release this. A remastered version. So yeah, that's all you're getting, folks. In this booklet. Pause it and read it. So yeah, folks. Tell me, what do you guys think of... Tell me, what do you guys think? Did any of those who ordered it? Let me know in the comments. Those that didn't, oh well. I don't know if you can still get it, though. I'm not so sure of. Those who were lucky enough, kudos for you. High five. Thumbs up to you all. So yeah. I gotta do a review on some of these things that I've been purchasing. So yeah. But here's the people involved in the project. So yeah. Also, if you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bottom of the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having an opinion related to the contents, comments down below. And also, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all, cats and dogs. Plus, I'm in the YouTube posts. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, early, afternoon, hours, whichever time is the best. Keep an eye on that in case I might be posting other links for other things. Check those out. Snip around it. Go ahead. And what else? Yeah. So yeah, keep an eye on my YouTube posts daily and weekly. You'll never know what's going to pop out. And for other pre-orders or products that may be coming early or maybe on time or off time, who knows. So yeah, folks, keep an eye on that, folks. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. And later. Catch you on the next vid. Holy cow, gotta go, y'all.